Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Adobe Acrobat for SEO documents. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Select the PDF document you wish to work on. Click on File in the top left corner to import your document. Choose Open and navigate to your file location. Once your document is open, review its contents. To edit text, click on Edit PDF in the right-hand menu. Highlight the text you want to change. Make your necessary edits directly in the document. For image optimization, select images to check their resolution. Right-click on any image and choose Edit Image if adjustments are needed. To add keywords, use the Comment tool located in the right-hand pane. Select Text Comment to place keywords where necessary. Ensure that keywords are naturally integrated into the document. Next, save any changes by clicking File. Select Save As to keep the original document intact. Rename your file to include relevant keywords. In the right-hand menu, select File Properties for additional SEO settings. Under the Description tab, input a title, author, and keywords. Save the properties by clicking OK. Next, to optimize your PDF for web, select File again. Choose Save as Other, then click Optimized PDF. In the optimization settings, adjust image quality for web use. Click OK to save your optimization settings. Finally, test the document by uploading it to your website or platform. Review the PDF to ensure all SEO elements are intact. Congratulations on enhancing your PDF's SEO capabilities using Adobe Acrobat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.